Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can free up space on Android. So I recommend that you begin by exploring if your smartphone has any built-in storage managers or storage cleaning solutions. Then generic way to free up some space is to go into Files, then tap at this sandwich icon to open the side panel and open the clean section here. This feature will analyze your device's internal storage and see, or should I rather say suggest some optimizations you can make to it. Maybe delete some large files, delete duplicate files, clean up remaining app junk, cache, or temporary files as well. Another method you can use is to simply open the settings app, then go into storage, then see what apps occupy the most of your storage space, and decide for yourself if those apps can be uninstalled, and well, uninstall them if possible. And well, as far as this simple video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.